What is up? It is your boy Airsoft Fatty here, bringing you another Cooking with Airsoft Fatty episode. This is going to be nachos. So, bring your meat up to like this. You know, make sure it's cooked. Fuck, I hate living next to a horse farm. Jesus Christ. I need to take some bleach to this or something. It really, I mean, that's all the stains from over the years, but like, maybe I should get a new sink. I don't know. Now, you want to take the fats in this and drain them. Take a plate, drainer, whatever you got. As long as you want to protect your hand. Just clean that slimy gunk out of there. Seriously, get the fuck off. God damn. Yeah, enough of that shit. There we go. Now, piece of shit. Now, take your cheese. As you know, cheese dip, whatever you want. And stir that bitch a little bit in the start. At this point, turn it down to a low heat. Showing a little gobful. And now, pull out, stick your fingers, stick pretty hard. Fuck, I'm serious. Of course, should come out. We'll pause this for a sec. Should come out looking like, looks like that. It looks like shit. It looks like vomit. It looks like if I had to, I could eat this shit daily. Almost school lunch looking kind of hamburger, not ketchup, but hamburger and cheese mix. Now you come to your fridge and you get some leftover chili. It fucking sucks. This is literally called surprise. So, next up is pretty simple. You take your hot dogs and, of course, your ketchup. Now, here's the fun part. You take 2 hot dogs max, and this step I will show on camera. Yep. And here we are. We've got our hot dogs cut up. Now, grab a damp rag and put a little leftover chili in there. Throw those bitches back in. It's fatty. Just 2 or 3 spoonfuls should do it. Fucking scam artist. You don't want it overpowering the nacho cheesiness. And then, of course, stir again. Fucking unnecessary shit bush. Fuck you, flies. Then, if you like to add ketchup, which I like to do sometimes, you know, you can do that. So take ketchup, pour it in about as much as you put on a half-size hamburger. About that much. I'll bring the camera over and show you. About that much. Then you just want to you put it in the freezer and you just stir it. My back pain is flaring out. Whew. I had to cry in between pausing. I don't think I'll actually get sick from this, actually. And in the end, look at all that. So many animals died to give us this. Homemade nachos. I was gonna do a segment on throwing this out, but of course, do the taste portion of this video series. This is Cooking with Fatty.